Welcome back everyone, it's me Faith, and in this next video I'll be doing for you my Trini home style fresh vegetable salad. 1 head of lettuce, 1 sweet pepper, 1 apple, 4 tomatoes, 1 carrot, 2 pimento peppers, and 2 cucumbers, a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of garlic, grated garlic. I have a half a teaspoon of the dried oregano leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, Alright, and I'm just gonna whisk this up really nicely. Here we have our lettuce. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it around, and I'm just gonna cut here, and that will make all the leaves very easy to remove. Alright, alright, so here we go, and our leaves are nicely washed and sterilized. I'm just gonna lay them out in the way that I find very easy to slice them up with. I think there is no wrong way to cut the lettuce. Now for the tomatoes. All of them has been washed. Cut the top off. Not too excessively. And what I do is I cut it down the middle. And then I cut it like this. Alright, now some people they get rid of the seeds. Everybody have their way. Sometimes I get rid of them, sometimes I don't. Next, I take just 1/4 of the sweet peppers. I go for color, so I want the red part. Take out the seeds. Likewise, remove the seeds inside. nice and thin. Next, the cucumbers. A nice red apple. Take it down the middle. I cut it into 4. That way I can just cut out the inside. Really easy. Alright, so I chipped up my carrots and I got just about a cup full. And now for the apples. I just want to make them really thin and nice. Let's give it a nice toss.